Hey Stunning Fam, this is Sarah back with another DIY video. Today you're going to be watching Tori create a hello sign for her front porch. First, Tori used Microsoft Word to determine the size and the font of the wording that would be on the sign, and then she printed it out. Next, Tori used a charcoal pencil to trace the back of the printed words. She flipped the paper over and placed them where she wanted them and taped them down. Once the words were facing upwards and taped down, Tori used a regular pencil to trace over the words. Tori then used painter's tape to tape the geometric design that she wanted for the sign. We are a lifestyle channel that features a variety of content from cooking to unboxing to anything that can be a DIY style project. We would really love it if you would like, subscribe, and hit the bell so that you will be notified when we post another video. After all the painter's tape was placed, Tori then painted the geometric design and the letters to complete the sign. We do recommend removing the tape as soon as possible to prevent the paint from peeling. We hope that you enjoyed this week's video. Come join us next Wednesday for another DIY project. We hope that you have a great week and we will see you next time.